There is a ball on your head. There is a ball on your head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a ball on your head. There is a ball on my head. Ah! Is there a ball on my head now? No. Now there are two balls on your head. What are two balls doing on my head? They are in love. The balls on my head are in love. They are love balls. Love balls? How do you know they are love balls? They are making a nest. Two balls are making a nest on my head. Why would two balls make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Chip, chip, chip. They have hatching. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, boy, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no balls on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Bye.